Wagwan viewers and subscribers, welcome back to a brand new update. In this one, we'll keep it short and simple. We have Vybz Kartel and Foota hype. Touch on man, remember, leave a subscribe, leave a like, big up on yourself like always, and make we jump right into it. So we have Vybz Kartel and White Yardy link up. Viewers and subs are beer things go on. Yeah man, a beer why the man them a fling out. Down to Popcaan jump out in the comment section and why up the place. Yeah man, you don't know say Popcaan love the buckry already, you know man.
Yo dog. Yeah man, me there man. And me and Kartel there brother.
Why?
No
man no there.
Me there with Kartel, me there with
Why me no there? No way.
True, you know, brother, they call my phone for brother. Eh?
Yeah, true. Why Yardy?
Road! Bumbo clock, dog.
You lose your show now?
Yeah, I know. How for man this?
Why? This is my player.
Okay.
I remember me have one of your soldiers them here, so prisoner of war.
Alright.
But no man.
No man. Deuce na your head.
Why for you those?
Bumbo clock. Yo, see the man the back of you, you know.
Why?
Brother, a game we are play, we can't say that man, sure.
6, me hitch up and dime.
Why? Boy, you hitch up on dime.
Shit. I mean this?
Yeah, from you touch your man, you have to move, you know.
Why not touch no man? Come on.
I'm not stressful to play with you. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
6,
Boy,
jump me.
man. Why me not jump no man, you know? See the man if he dead, you know, take the man now.
So Popcaan run out and say burn off that with some laughing emoji. And with the bow, then the G stop it right there. So I say, why? Una don't know say anyway the buck there. Popcaan I go there for why up the place. You see me? Yeah man, una don't know Popcaan love the buck already. And Vybz Kartel also tag Popcaan, hashtag Popcaan music with some laughing emoji. Yeah man, the G them just have a good time. And just, you know, yeah man, so I know nothing for nobody if you run with and say, yo, Vybz Kartel, you know, the man them just have a good time, you see me? Yeah man. Or some more son is supposed to know DJ AG, well, him go round and, you know, him keep live performance and, you know, artists would have pull up and perform live and, you know, have a good time. So the G asks Wayne Wonder who he'd love to see pull up next. And Wayne Wonder said, Alkaline, yeah man, the fans them react. And you can tell so the fans them would have loved to see the entertainer Alka pull up.
We'll talk about that offline. But my question is, if you could pick one artist to forward to this live stream next, but only one, and they have to be alive, okay? I don't care what genre, but just tell me one person that you'd like to see here next.
Yo, Jono, let me think. Would love to see Preform live. I think Alkaline, you know.
Alkaline!
Then that time.
Alright, there we go, Alkaline, forward!
So the fans them a try to get Foota to talk about what happened to Bounty Killer at Reggae Fest. Cause you don't know say Foota hype are the person will touch upon the most viral topic them, you see me? So yeah man, everybody would expect Foota to touch upon a topic like this. So now Foota speak out and I'm gonna make you hear what the entertainer say. But first remember, leave a subscribe if you're new and big up on yourself like always if you don't reach this far.
Body can't make me style killer. Anytime you hear me and killer go at it, I something what me and him have. I something what him do with me in a life. And me not deal with. Uno not feel like say uno can guess me to this bounty killer. So uno not rather start even type that over there. Like nah go happen. Okay? It nah go happen. So uno don't even bother try start that. Good. And the next thing, we don't want nobody to DM me and inbox me about Foota, talk about toddler and Ellie. I'm in a business about that. Me forward in the business and say Harry toddler and elephant man them are par like so. It would have come like if me and mother have an argument or me a talk about me and mother the situation. Nobody can tell me what to say and nobody can tell me what to do because they never did it. I see me with Elia and Toddler. Me no business with them thing. Them a brother. Them a part from hungry days. But me no know that story there. Me never did it. Me no know it. A good more and the two of them good. And do some show together and some something. I will nobody feel like say Foota one of them vlogger they want can come to and guess me up and everything me jump in and everything me talk about. I want to know and think me an idiot. You think I want to clown this?
So big up to my viewers and subs who reached this far in the video, you know. Big up on yourself and remember, leave a subscribe if you're new. As always, catch you in another one.